Hello, boys and girls. I'm so excited to be sharing with you today the Frozen Little Kingdom. This is Elsa's little castle, and I cannot wait to show you guys what is inside. Let's take a closer look at what comes inside our box, and then we'll open everything up. So here, as you can see at the top, we have some snap-ins, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then it brings Elsa, which she has spots for her snap-ins. And then there is a castle with tons of fun stuff inside. Then if you look at the back of the box, it shows you how to connect everything up here. It also shows some other fun things that you could purchase to connect with the castle. They have an ice garden and a spa retreat. So today we're going to be opening up the Little Kingdom, but they do have some others to build your little kingdom. So I can't wait to see what it's inside. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is the front of the castle. The front of the castle has a little window here and a little window on this side. And then we have the top that is super fun and it spins. So you can have the ice picture that is for winter time. And then the summer picture because things are so fun in summer. So here we have a door with some designs on it as well. Let's go ahead and turn our castle around and look at the inside of our kingdom. Okay, so here is the inside of our kingdom, and you get to turn this triangle from this side too. So if you want summertime, you can make it summer, and if you want it winter, you can make it winter. So let's go ahead and put the other pieces of our castle together. So we have this little gate that we just snap right in here, and then let's move this over. Then we also have a little swing for Elsa. So we can just put the little swing right here so that Elsa can go swinging in the swing, and that moves like this. That'll be so much fun for Elsa. Then we have Elsa's bed, and her bed comes with a cozy pillow, and it also comes with a blanket. Okay, so we'll put her purple bed right there, and then her kingdom also comes with a treasure box, and here we have two little holes to put our little snaps inside, and that way they don't get lost. So when Elsa's not wearing them, you can just snap them right inside your treasure box. So here's one, and let's go ahead and put the other one. Here is the other snap-in, and it is a little doll for Elsa, and it looks just like a little mini Elsa. And we could put that right in here. And you can also, when she's not wearing her gloves, she has a set of gloves that she can wear, but when she's not wearing them, you can keep them inside her treasure box too. So we're gonna put these right inside the treasure box. We're gonna put it right at the top up here. Then we have a snowflake for Elsa's kingdom. So we're gonna put that right at the top of our castle, right up here. And we have our snowflake with our triangle. We're gonna pretend it's winter time. And then we have, of course, we can't forget Elsa! Elsa here has her blue dress with a snowflake snap-em. She has another spot for another snap-em right here. She has her cape that moves from side to side, so we can move that if we want. And Elsa also moves up and down. So we're gonna put her right here and get her ready for her very first adventure in her kingdom. Also, the door moves. The door can move in this castle as well. Okay, so we're gonna get Elsa ready to go outside, but first she needs her gloves because it's very cold. So we're gonna put her gloves on each hand. So here's one glove, and it's gonna slide right on her little fingers. And then we're gonna put the other glove on her other hand. Get her nice and cozy. And then we're gonna go to our treasure box and get her flower snap 'em. Because even though there's not a lot of flowers in wintertime, it's still fun to have some flowers on a dress. So we have some flowers and our snowflakes and our gloves. I think she's ready to go outside. Elsa, what would you like to do? Well, I love going on the swing. That's a great idea, Elsa. Let's go on the swing. Hooray! Okay, Elsa's gonna go out the front door. And let's go out here and around to the swing. Ooh, and she has to take off her cape so that it doesn't get ruined on the swing. So we'll hang it right here so that it doesn't get ruined. And now she can go on her swing. She could put her arms and go swinging. Whee! Woohoo! This swing is so much fun. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Woohoo! I just gotta let it go and go swinging. Let it go and go swinging. Whee! Woohoo! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah, my glove fell off. Let me get my glove. Whew, it sure is getting cold out here. I better go inside. Okay, let's go inside. Do-do-do-do-do. I'm inside and my glove falls off again. I better put this glove away before it gets lost. Let me go up the stairs to put my treasures away. So let's put one glove back in the treasure box and the other glove back in the treasure box and the flower back in the treasure box. I sure am tired. I think I'm gonna take a nap. Let me get my dolly so I can sleep with Dolly. We're gonna put her dolly in her snap 'em here and go back down the stairs. Down the stairs. Oh, we forgot to close the door so the snow doesn't get in. Let's close it. Good job. Oh, I had so much fun swinging on the swing. It was the best. I can't wait to see what I do in my kingdom tomorrow. But I'm so exhausted. I'm so happy I have my dolly here so I can get nice and cozy in my bed. Good night, boys and girls.